Good morning, my class 6. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. As in writing portion, today we are going to learn how to write speech. As delivering a speech requires very confidence and presence of mind. Those who speak written content fail to become good orators. So a speech should be designed in such a manner that the level and interest of the audience can be catched. So the language must be intelligible to the listener, and the basic purpose of making a speech is to convince the listener that your ideas and your views are actually authentic means the which are based on fact and which has legal content, right? So if the speaker does not convince the audience, so the basic purpose of speech is failed. So that means you have to write a speech in a very effective manner so that you can catch the attention of your listener. Okay, now we'll learn how to write a speech writing in a very effective way. As there are three parts of this. First is introduction, then body, then conclusion. In the introduction, you'll open a speech with a greeting and a self introduction by the speaker. That means you introduce yourself, as it offers to draw an attention of the audience. Okay, so in the body. Now, in the body, you will contain the key points that the speaker wants to convey to the audience. It can be example, all the detailed information, arguments, it can be definition, description, comparison, statistics, and the quotations also you can add, right? So you can add many of the things of your choice. Now, the conclusion part. Conclusion basically brings the speech close, and it is usually the summary of the main points, right? So it is such a summary that employs the keywords or the phrases. Okay, class? Now see how you can write a good speech. First of all, brainstorm idea. That means begin by brainstorm idea. That means combine or organize the ideas and put them in a sequence. Okay, then first prepare the first draft. What do you mean by first draft? That means which develops each of the main idea with one or more supportive ideas. Then mark the transitions. That means expression, tones, I mean even pauses that a signal or a turn in the speaker's attitude, emotion or emphasis, right? So that means you have to mark the transitions also, and you have to identify the areas where you wish to introduce transition in your speech and review your first draft also. Now, next, check for accuracy. Review the first draft and look for removing errors in vocabulary, spelling, or grammar or punctuation errors. Then just prepare the final draft. You just remove unnecessary repetition of words and prepare the final draft. Then rehearse and deliver the speech. Then you have to before writing, we can say, because here we are not speaking, here we are writing the speech. So you have to just check your speech before you deliver it, and it will be a good idea to record and review your rehearsal for effectiveness. This is just for speaking, but here we are writing the speech. Okay, now I will show you one sample of it, how you will write. First of all, how you will introduce. As you can see here in the introduction, it's written that I find TV very educational. Every time somebody switches it on, I go to another room and read a good book, says Groucho Marx. So here the introduction line is with the quotation which usually attract the attention of the audience. So you, for setting up speech, you can add a good quotation line said by some famous personality. After that, you will start address that good morning everyone. Okay, you'll address the chief guest or the organizer. Then after, you'll introduce yourself that my name is this. Today I stand before you to speak on the topic Be Gone Idiot Box. Then you will name the topic also about what you are going to speak, right? Then you have to develop the topic with the main supporting idea that you have collected, with all the example, with the data and argument and evidences also. As I'm reading for you, you don't perhaps know, but it is true. Television eats into your time. An average person watches more than 4 hours of television a day. That means here the person has collected data that how average person watches more than 4 hours, matlab here with a particular day 4 hours, according to 4 hours it is being data that is being taken. This is about one fourth of one's waking hour. In this time you could exercise, cook delicious meals, pursue a hobby, write a novel, or do a volunteer work. Sitting on the couch with a drink in one hand and a snack, people add more calories, become obese, and suffer from heart alignments, diabetes, sleep disorders, and other health problems. Sad, isn't it? So, here this is a good short form it's used. Now, see next. What's more, TV kills relationship. People hardly have any meaningful conversation with parents and children. Children addicted to TV have attention deficit, suffer isolation and lack original thinking. Right? So, this is in the body. Now, to sum up, how we can say, I do agree. That means for winding up, you have to express your idea that how you feel about that topic. That means you will show your opinion on that particular topic that you're writing. I do agree that television is a medium that can inform, inspire, and educate. But should we sacrifice our health, money, and relationships for something that humanity has done well without thousands of years? Then, with the conclusion, how we can write. So, if you want a happier, healthier life, throw your TV out saying, "Be gone, idiot box." That means you have to add a very catchy line in the end of the in the end of the speech also. At the end, you will thank the audience. Thank you. Right? This is all how you'll write the speech. Now I am giving you one sample speech that you all will write in your notebook, and those who are having the BBC book, they can write in that also. This question is of page number 154 in your BBC. The question is, your school is organizing a declamation contest on the topic India of my dreams. Taking ideas from the hints given below, together with your own friends, draft a speech in about 120 words. As already the hints are given to you, you can take the help of these hints and you can add on in that body part, and also you can write the more example, more the facts you will write. With that you can gain extra marks. So just try to add on more example and more fact. That will make your speech more effective, and the good vocabulary is the best method. And of course the catchy slogan and catchy lines also will add on the more marks to you. Okay class, this is all about the speech writing. Thank you and have a wonderful day.